Okay guys, in this drawing we are going to talk about the how to set up the external references and how to use it, and then in the next video we will be talking about how we are going to set up the furniture plan. Okay, so let me close this drawing and start from the beginning. So you're going to the application menu, click new, Autocad ISO as usual, and I'm going to freeze the grid and check the units U and enter. This is millimeters, so all the time this should be millimeter, so that's fine for me. I can press OK or cancel, no issues. Now the thing is that if you talk about the external references, this is the way that how we are going to combine the different AutoCAD drawings together in a single file. Okay, so here we are going to work only with the two drawings, but there is a possibility you can combine more than two drawings also. How to do that is that you type XR enter, so you get this dialog box for the external references. You're just going to click this drop down arrow. You have a lot of options to attach whatever you want, like you can attach the image as we have discussed before, but here I'm going to talk about the drawing file. So I'm going to click on DWG and I'll give the path, like there is my file interior design AutoCAD office project plans floor plan, and say open. Right, so the first step is showing you the name of the plan, that is the A- floor plan. It give you the preview of your drawing. Reference type, we have two options, attachment and overlay. This I can just explain you like some other time, because this is the first class for the XNet. So simply click on overlay and always try to keep overlay only. Scale, like if you want to scale the drawing, but as you know the scale will resize the drawing to the higher size or the lower size, so I'm not going to do anything with that. Insertion point also, I don't want to check it, because I want AutoCAD to decide where it is going to place. It is going to place 0 0 0, so that is very fine for me. And rotation, if you want to rotate the drawing you can click here, but here I don't want any rotation, so I'll keep it like that. The most important thing is that units is millimeter and factor should be 1. If factor is not 1, then the drawings will not match with each other. Okay, so I'm going to say okay. Yes, so your drawing is here. You can see that your drawing is a little bit faded kind of a thing. So if you have this kind of appearance in your drawing, you have to go to the layer and check if any layer is lock. If layer is not lock, see this is the lock layer, so this everything is fine. If the layers are okay, then the thing is that you have to go for options, OP enter, display, fade control, X ref display, because you know this is like faded, so the value is 50, I'll make it 5. You see the drawing will come live like how you need it, so you can play with that one. Alright, so I'm going to save this file and I'll go back to my folder, interior design AutoCAD office project plans, and this time I'm going to call this as A-furniture plan, and I'm going to click on save. Right, so now this is the furniture plan, so I can start to put my furniture here. But when you put the furniture, you're not going to change anything about the floor plan, because you see if you click it's like one object, and you're not going to do any modifications in that. You're going to keep everything as it is. But in case, let's say you want to modify something, you want to change something, let's say because here if you have forgetting, like for example this is overlapping and you feel that this is not correct, so the procedure is that you will go here and right click and open the file. Don't make the changes here, open the file, and here now for example I'll just simply take move and move this text up. Okay, if you want to make any other corrections, like for example this is 0, what is 0? Nothing, I'll remove it. Okay, so as of now it's okay for me, and I'm going to close it, say yes, I want to save the drawing. So once you save the drawing, you will get the message here down. Now you see you get a message here, Then reload, a reference file has changed and many reloading. So whatever the changes you make, if you click reload, the changes will apply here now. You see, so you're not going to make any changes to the floor plan here, but you can work on the furniture plan with this plan. Okay, so I'm going to end this video now. I will just continue the next part in the next video for the furniture plan with the same concept. Okay, this is only for the setting up of the file.